So this year we've got Alexa all over the house. My kids are screaming, Alexa, 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 and I have 4 kids screaming Alexa all the time. It's kind of funny, but it's got me thinking about Alexa a whole lot more. And there's this cool thing called Alexa Skills. Now, if you have an Alexa, you already know this. You can go and you can get a skill and you can install it. For instance, maybe I could get the Domino's pizza skill, and that would allow me to say, hey, Alexa, order Domino's, and it would pull up my last order and say, would you like to order pepperoni and cheese again? By the way, that's what the kids always eat. And then I could just say, yeah, go ahead and make that order, and it would deliver to me. Very handy, a great way for me to have a convenience in my house. So what I'm thinking about these days is how can we as marketers or as business owners take advantage of that? The cool thing about Alexa Skills is anybody can develop Alexa Skills. So it's an open community. I can come in and create a skill for my business that can then be installed on Alexa by a user, and they can use it. So how can we make people's lives more convenient in a way that integrates with our business? So we've got, for instance, a large convenience store chain. And so we're talking to them a little bit right now about how to create Alexa skills that would allow them to do home delivery. There's lots of opportunities here, and really your imagination is the only limitation. So what is it that a consumer might want to just be in the comfort of their own home and say, hey Alexa, can I have XYZ? Or can you give me this piece of information? And could that connect to your business? It might not necessarily be a direct transaction. Maybe it's a more informational or helpful, but it keeps your consumer aware of you all the time. So be thinking about Alexa skills. I'd love to brainstorm with you about it because I think they're fascinating, and I think this market of voice search is on the tip of just turning the corner and being a massive movement. So think about Alexa skills and how you could apply that to your business.